Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. It is time for beer number 9. So these 8 empty cans represent some work so far. And got this one and 3 more to go, and this series will be over with. My series of golf courses of Wichita Public Golf probably about done for the year because, well, it's pouring down rain, temperature's dropping. And here in a couple of days, of course, we go to standard time. So 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it'll be dark. So let's see what we got here. So this one says Falter, Export Hell. Well, let's give it a whirl. Das Beste for Ale. So apparently they're claiming it's a really good beer, I guess. We'll find out. I don't know much about this until I open the can. So it looks like it is probably a Pilsner. Instantly feels nice in the glass. Real quality head growing there. Smells really nice. Yep, it's another German Pilsner. This one's not bad at all. To be honest, the one I did previously, this Volbeer Errol, that was really good. And there was another Pilsner in here that was excellent. But this is good. I still think my favorite, honestly, of all the Pilsners was by far this one, Mein Grosse Liebe, or My Big Love. But this is nice. This is simple, very crisp. It reminds me, honestly, I almost hate to admit it, but it reminds me of Pabst Blue Ribbon. It's got that just kind of soft, very light flavor. There's not a lot to it. It's not bad. It wouldn't be my first choice, but as a if it's just to sit around and have a beer outside by the fire type of thing, it's okay. So we got 3 more, and there's no order to these. I just reach in the refrigerator and grab the next one in line. So we'll see you for the next one. Eat and drink fabulous. Cheers.